So it is Saturday, October 21st, 2023, and I just finished drinking my Amare Happy Juice, so I thought I'd do a little update for you guys. Since I drank my Happy Juice, I feel full of motivation, I feel full of determination, I have just the right amount of energy to play with my child and to run around with them, and I feel wide awake. So overall, I'm feeling pretty good with the Amare Happy Juice so far. This is day number 3 drinking it since I got out of the hospital, and I'm feeling pretty good with it so far. I haven't noticed any major effects from it yet, but I know with time I'm going to start noticing more and more from it. Don't mind my hair today. As you can see, it's pretty frizzy. I think I'm going to actually go and get something for frizz later on today. I don't know why it's so frizzy. It's definitely not the weather because it's not summer anymore, so it's not super hot out. It's been frizzy like this for quite a while now, and I just can't seem to get rid of it. So I'm hoping if I get anti-frizz, it'll help, because I really don't like the way it looks when it's frizzy. Aside from that, unfortunately, I have noticed that I'm starting to get anhedonia again, but I know with time drinking the Amare Happy Juice, that's going to clear up. It's kind of unfortunate, but it is what it is. And luckily the medication that's causing it for me, I'm slowly being weaned off of. Now that's the problem, is the fact that it's slowly, because that means I have to deal with the anhedonia until I'm completely weaned off of it. But I know the Amare Happy Juice can easily get rid of my anhedonia, and I know that it's going to do it again. So I'm not worried about it going away, it just really sucks in the meantime. And you can tell I have anhedonia again because once again I'm lacking expression in my videos. Luckily, I don't have full-blown anhedonia. I'm just noticing some aspects of it, like the musical anhedonia for one thing. I'm noticing when I listen to music again, I don't enjoy it, which really, really sucks because music to me is like everything. Music is everything to me. It really does mean a lot to me. And I know when I'm having a really, really rough time in life, music is one of the top things that gets me by.